Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your driver's license in Arizona. So we're currently here at az.gov's official website. And from this page, you can see here how to obtain a driver's license. From here, scrolling a little bit, you can see here that MVD offers several types of licenses. Now first, you have to identify what type of license are you planning to take. Now to see, just click on this. So here you can see what type of license you would like to take. You have here the travel driver license, which is accepted at airport security checkpoints and federal facilities, and also the non-travel driver license, which do not comply with federal identification requirements and cannot be used at TSA airport security checkpoints starting May 7, 2025. Once you're done identifying what type of license you would like to take, here are the locations where you can get your licenses. You can get it on MVD offices or authorized third parties. You can click these links for more information. So here are MVD locations. You can check which is the closest MVD office to your location and authorized third-party title and registration and driver license provider locations. So heading back to this page, you can see here that you may be given a vision exam. So of course, part of the requirements is taking the vision exam, and written and road tests may not be required if you provide a valid driver license from another state. So next are the proof of identification, age, and authorized presence. Here you can see the identification requirements that you need to gather and have it with you. Arizona law requires that you submit proof that your presence in the United States is authorized under federal law. And of course, you need to have your social security number. You are required to provide your SS number, for it will be used to verify your identity and to comply with federal and state child support enforcement laws. So once you check your eligibility and gathered all the required documents, took your tests, and head over to these locations, the last thing you have to do is wait for a confirmation that you passed and you're eligible to get your driver's license. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!